Hello and welcome to the mp3 Academy YouTube channel. In this episode, we'll be talking about planting seeds for self-improvement and growth with mp3 Academy. Stay tuned as we explore how you can make small, meaningful changes in your life that lead to long-term success. Let's get started. In life, self-improvement is much like planting seeds. The actions and decisions you make today lay the foundation for what you will eventually harvest in the future. With mp3 Academy, you can begin to plant superior quality seeds for self-growth and self-optimization through a unique audio learning system on the go. Using your spare moments, whether you're commuting, cooking, or doing household chores, you can turn that time into valuable opportunities for continuous learning. Just like a seed needs time to grow, your efforts today will blossom into the results you seek tomorrow. For our complete list of mp3 Academy audio modules, I invite you to visit our website at mp3.Academy. In the Shop section, you can browse and choose the product that best fits your needs right now. To keep it affordable, each module has a minimum price, but if you'd like to support mp3 Academy, you're welcome to pay a price of your choice. To keep your learning experience engaging, mp3 Academy modules feature two different voices, one feminine and one masculine. You can switch between them to keep the approach fresh and appealing. One of the most important aspects of self-growth is understanding that there is always a time delay between seeding and harvesting. The knowledge and skills you acquire through mp3 Academy audio modules will not provide instant results, but over time, they will build and accumulate, shaping you into a more effective, efficient, and capable individual. It's the repeated, consistent investment in short-term goals, like listening to audio lessons for 10 to 30 minutes a day, that will lead to long-term success. By investing time in yourself now, you're ensuring that you will harvest the rewards later. The mp3 Academy audio learning system on the go is specifically designed to help you optimize your time management. These audio modules allow you to break down learning into manageable, bite-sized chunks that fit seamlessly into your daily routine. Whether you are stuck in traffic or taking a break at work, you can use these small windows of time to program your mind for success. Each session, though short, builds on the last, allowing for gradual but sure self-growth, day by day, week by week, month by month, and year by year. Repetition is a powerful tool in the learning process, and mp3 Academy harnesses this by encouraging repeated listening. By listening to the same audio modules multiple times, you reinforce the key principles and ideas. Each time you listen, you absorb more and internalize the concepts on a deeper level. This method allows you to progressively apply the information to optimize different areas of your life, be it personal, professional, social, or financial. With each step, you become more capable of making better decisions and taking more actionable steps toward success. As you continue with mp3 Academy, you'll find that your efforts begin to bear fruit. Whether it's improved well-being, enhanced time management, or better results in your personal and professional life, the short-term goals you set will begin to accumulate into significant long-term achievements. By consistently investing time in yourself through listening to these audio modules, you're building the knowledge and skills necessary to achieve your SMART goals, one small step at a time. The beauty of mp3 Academy is that it allows you to maximize your spare time. Instead of letting those small moments go to waste, you can use them wisely to add value to your personal knowledge, experience, and even expertise. Each audio lesson is designed to be impactful yet digestible, giving you practical exercises that you can immediately apply to your life. Over time, this consistent practice leads to a significant transformation, both in how you think and how you approach challenges. By incorporating mp3 Academy audio modules into your daily routine, you'll gradually build the habits and mindset required for success. It's not about making drastic changes all at once, but about gradually layering knowledge and skills in a way that feels natural and sustainable. These short periods of time spent listening, reflecting, and applying the lessons will compound over time, helping you move closer to your goals. This step-by-step approach to self-growth ensures that you are always moving forward, even if the progress feels slow at first. The idea of continuous learning is essential to staying relevant, adaptable, and motivated. With mp3 Academy, you'll be constantly adding to your knowledge base, allowing you to handle new challenges with confidence. Self-improvement is a lifelong journey, and by committing to continuous learning, you ensure that you are always growing and evolving. Whether you're working towards short-term goals or building a foundation for future success, this approach keeps you on the path to personal fulfillment. By using mp3 Academy audio modules as a tool for self-growth, you take control of your learning process. You decide when, where, and how you learn, fitting it into your schedule in a way that works for you. And as you continue to invest in yourself, you'll notice that not only are you making better use of your time, but you are also seeing real, measurable results in your life. Every spare moment becomes an opportunity for progress, making your journey towards success feel achievable and within reach. In conclusion, mp3 Academy offers a practical, accessible way to plant seeds for self-improvement and self-optimization. By taking advantage of spare moments and committing to continuous learning, you can build the skills and mindset needed for success. The time you invest today will result in the harvest you enjoy tomorrow, whether that's in your personal, professional, or financial life. So start your journey now with mp3 Academy and watch as those seeds grow into the success you've been working toward.